Every car or truck should have one of these. You know what I'm talking about. It's that portable jump starter. This is from Evapo, and this comes in a nice sturdy case. Opens up, it's got all your cables and everything over on the one side. There's the cables themselves. This just plugs into this other box. This is a 3000 amp peak current jump starter. This can also be used as a power bank. As you can see, it has USB, USB 2, and then a Type C for charging and powering things. This has a capacity of 88 watt hours. So this battery pack can keep your laptop or something else going for quite some time. Got your built-in flashlight right there. Another handy thing this comes with is one of these cigarette adapters. You plug it in here, and now you can power anything that the cigarette plug-in can plug right into there. And this is just one of those items that you don't want to go without. If you happen to get the a dead battery anywhere, this guy right here is going to get you back on the road and ready. And I'm not going to be one of those other guys out there saying that my truck's not starting, so let's try to use this. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to pop my hood. We're going to come over and find my battery. As you can see, it's already fully charged. There's another little slot over here for this. You're going to take this cover off, and it's going to plug right into here. Just like so. That's going to light up. You're going to put the power on the power, or the red on the red, black on the black. Black is negative. This will jump up to an 8-liter gas or an 8-liter diesel truck. When it's ready to start, this thing will turn green.
Right answer.
Then all you gotta do is take your cables back off, unplug this. You're gonna put it back in your box, put it back in your glove box or underneath your seat, back in your trunk. That way you can use it for next time.